another video of Looming with Maya. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a regular fishtail bracelet. Are you guys ready? Let's start! The things that we're going to need to make the fishtail bracelet are some rubber bands, an S or a C clip, a pick which is optional, and a tool. I'm going to be using the tool that we made in one of my previous videos, but you can use your fingers instead or a mini loom. The rubber band colors I'm going to use for this bracelet are jelly pink, jelly turquoise, and jelly lime green. Now let's start making the bracelet. To make the fishtail bracelet, we're going to grab our tool and we're going to grab a rubber band. We're going to place the rubber band on one peg and we're going to twist it and place it on the other peg. And we're going to push it down. It should look like this. Now we're going to grab another rubber band and we're going to place it on top. And we're not going to twist the rubber band. In fact, we're not going to twist any other rubber bands we used to make this bracelet. Now we're going to get another rubber band and we're going to place it on top. And now we're going to grab our pick, and you can use your fingers to do this part, whatever you want, and we're going to grab the bottom rubber band and we're going to take it up and over the other rubber bands. And we're going to do it to both sides. And now we're going to push it down. And since this rubber band is jelly lime green, we're going to grab a jelly lime green rubber band and place it on top. And we're going to grab our pick and get the bottom rubber band and bring it over the other rubber bands. And if it's sometimes hard to grab the bottom rubber band, you can push it aside and that will make it easier to grab it. And this is what it should look like. Now we're going to push it down and we're going to grab another rubber band. Place it over and take the bottom rubber band over the other rubber bands. And it should look like this. And now we're going to push it down again and take another rubber band, place it over, and grab the bottom rubber band. And it should look like this. Now we're just going to keep doing that until we have a length that fits our wrist. Now that I've gotten my bracelet at a length that fits my wrist, I'm going to show you guys how to finish off your bracelet. So there should be two bands on your tool, and we're going to take our pick and we're going to take the bottom band over the other band. Now there should only be one band on your loom, and it should look like this. Now we're going to take this band and we're going to move it from here to here. Very carefully. We're going to push it down. And now we're going to spread it like this and put our finger inside. And we're going to take it and we're going to grab our S-clip and we're going to put it on one side of the S-clip. It should be like this. And we're going to take the other side of the S-clip. So this part, and we're gonna put it to the other side of the S-clip. It doesn't really matter what side of the S-clip you put it on. And that's how you make a fishtail bracelet. So that's going to be it on my tutorial on how to make a regular fishtail bracelet. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to know whenever I make new videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time on Looming with Maya. Bye for now!